Hello, so today I'll be testing Martha Stewart pancake recipe, so let's go. So after making butter last week, if you haven't seen that video yet, please check it out right here. I was left with some buttermilk. I was wondering what I should do with it, and my first choice was to make some buttermilk pancakes. So today I'm here testing out Martha Stewart pancake recipe to see if it's good. So let's start cooking. So I'm going to start by combining all the dry ingredients. So it's 2 cups of flour. We'll sieve it with the sugar. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and lastly, half teaspoon of salt. We'll whisk this together. So I'm going to put this aside and start with the wet ingredients. So now time for the wet ingredients. I'm going to combine 2 cups of the buttermilk, 2 large eggs, and one thing that stood out to me was the lemon juice, but I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice and some melted butter. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of melted butter that is cooled. I'm using the same butter from last week that I made. You can go ahead and check out that video right here. So now I'm going to combine the wet ingredients in the dry ingredients. So just set to leave this aside for 10 minutes. So I'm going to do so. Meanwhile, I'm going to get the stove ready. Yes, so now it's time to fry the pancakes. Do you say fry or cook? I think it's fry. Oil is in it, there's a pot. Yeah, so fry pancakes. Honestly, I think this might be too loud, but sorry if I'm shouting. Now it's time to fry the pancakes. I have a cast iron skillet right here on medium heat. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to portion out the pancakes. I'm not sure how many pancakes I can do in this small pot. I reckon that this pot can only hold 1 at a time, unfortunately. Yeah, so I'm about to take out the first pancake, and I'm just going to finish the rest of this. It's going to be a long wait, but I'll get back to you when everything is finished. I'm finally finished. Took some time. I'm just judging it based on looks now. I like my pancakes a little bit fluffier. Right now it's looking a little bit too flat, but let's see how it tastes. So the spongy is soft. Right amount of sugar, right amount of salt. I'm not really tasting the lemon juice. That's good. I don't know if it would be different without it. But my only problem is that it's a bit too skinny. I like my pancakes to be fluffy, you know, thick. But this is good. It and the butter that I made last week. Again, if you haven't seen that video, check it out right here. The syrup. Yeah, but I really like this pancake. Is it the best? No. I would give this a 8.5 to 9. But it's good. I would definitely make this again. So if you like what you saw today, consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and comment below. Tell me what you think. Until next week Sunday, thanks for watching.
se yerde.